How often should you clean the shower mats in front of your showers, better known as shower rugs? How often are you supposed to clean those? Before you answer that, let's take a look inside the shower. And if this is what you're standing on, when you get out of the shower and you step on that, you're transferring everything that was on the bottom of your feet in this shower onto the rug. Ew! So the shower itself is designed to get us wet, right? We have lots of water that pours on top of us. Then when we get out of the shower, we transfer all of the water that's dripping from us onto the mat. And depending on how many people in your family take a shower and step out on that same mat every day, it's possible that there's no time in between for the shower rugs to dry out. One of the best ways we can solve this problem is to bring our towel inside the shower before we get out and dry off completely before you step out onto the bath mat. That will keep your bath mat much drier. So how often should you clean your bath mats? Well, for vacuuming, it should be 2 to 3 times a week. And if your bath mats are getting wet every single day, the rule of thumb is once per week, it should go in the washing machine. Now, many mats have a rubber backing on the back that we got to be careful of when we put that in high temperatures in both the wash and the dryer. One of the tips that we've learned as far as preventing mold and mildew is to hang up the bath mat between each shower or bath, either on a railing over the door of the shower itself or over the edge of the tub. And a trick that we learned from the hotel industry was we learned that by using a bath mat made of the same kind of material that towels are made of, it can go inside the washing machine with a regular load of wash, and it doesn't require as much maintenance or can be washed more frequently than a regular bath mat. So when you're washing your bath mats, the question is, how many bath mats can you wash at a time? And the answer is really only one, unless you're using a bath mat that's also made of towel material, because you don't want your washing machine to get overbalanced, and that way it will rattle and shake. And here's a pro tip. If you have a rubber-backed mat, if you will take a vacuum machine and you will vacuum it just by stepping on the corners so that it doesn't pick up the mat, you can remove any people or pet hair so that that doesn't go inside the washing machine when you wash the mat. And now that we have our mats inside the washing machine, let's go ahead and add a little bit of OxiClean. This is about a 1/4 cup of OxiClean inside the laundry detergent cup. We're going to also add a 1/4 cup of vinegar, this is just white cleaning vinegar, into the fabric softener bin, and that will keep our bath mats fluffy once they go through the wash, and it will remove any odors. And now we're going to go ahead and turn the cycle on, just a gentle cycle. This is going to be a cool water or medium water and heat, and we're going to do a quick wash, and we're just going to rinse those mats out and they'll be ready to go. After the bath mats have been washed and they come out of the washing machine wet, you can drape them gently over a laundry basket so that that rubber backing can just air dry. You don't want that to go in the dryer where the heat will eat up the back of the rubber backing. You can also hang your damp bath mat over the back of a chair, any chair will do, as long as air can get to both sides of the mat and dry that out naturally. And one of the secrets to washing your bath mats frequently is to have a spare set that can be washing while the other ones are drying. Alrighty, and if you were wondering how often you should clean your bath mats, the answer is once a week. And now you know the pro tips on how to do just that. Alrighty, if you have questions or comments, those go in the comments below. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.